This helicopter looks unfinished, as if someone forgot to put the fuselage on, but that's precisely its essence. This is a Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane, a flying crane built solely for pure lifting power, with its open frame, twin turbo engines and massive rotors. All its power is concentrated downwards. It can lift nearly 9 tons in a single operation, and when wildfire season arrives, its role transforms from heavy lifting equipment into a precision firefighting weapon, accurately spraying large quantities of water onto the spreading flames. One machine, 2 missions, pure brute force in the air.